Toilet training a 2-year-old from scratch is totally doable, but it works best when you keep it simple, consistent, then low pressure. Here's a practical, step-by-step approach that actually works in real life. First, make sure your child is ready. Age alone isn't enough. Look for signs like staying dry for 1 to 2 hours, showing interest in the toilet or underwear, telling you or showing when they are wet or dirty, can follow simple instructions. If none of these are happening yet, it may be better to wait a few weeks. Second, set up the right tools. A small potty or a child seat for the toilet. Easy to remove clothes, elastic waistbands. Fun underwear, this actually motivates kids. Third, pick a start time. Choose a few days when you can stay home and focus, like a weekend or break. Consistency is key at the beginning. Fourth, introduce the potty. Let your child sit on it fully clothed at first. Explain simply, this is where pee and poop go. You can even let them watch you, kids learn by copying. Fifth, go diaper-free during the day. Switch to underwear or let them go without bottoms at home. Take them to the potty. After waking up. After meals. Every 1 to 2 hours. Watch for signs, squirming, hiding, holding themselves. Sixth, celebrate success, big time. Praise immediately, you used the potty. Use stickers or small rewards if helpful. Keep it positive, no pressure. Seventh, handle accidents calmly. They will happen. Stay calm, oops, pee goes in the potty. Clean up and move on, no punishment or shame. Eighth, night training comes later. Daytime control usually comes first. Keep diapers at night until they stay dry consistently. Common mistakes to avoid. Starting too early leads to frustration. Forcing them to sit on the potty. Punishing accidents. Switching back and forth between diapers and underwear too often. How long does it take? Some kids get it in a few days. Others take weeks or months. Both are completely normal. Pro tip: consistency matters more than perfection. If you start, try to stick with it rather than going back to diapers during the day.